Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have MySQL 8 and MySQL shell. This gives you modern schema commands and JSON support. Once done, create a dedicated user and give it only the privileges needed for schema changes, because least privilege reduces risk. Now decide on a clear schema name and pick UTF-8MB4 with a matching collation so text behaves predictably. Finally, connect with MySQL user P and run create database schema name character SET-UTF 8MB for collate UTF 8MB for general SCI. To begin, you now design tables based on your entities, sketch relationships and choose primary keys that are stable and compact. Then choose data types that match values, use INT for IDs, decimal for money, and JSON for flexible objects, because the right type improves performance and storage. Once you have the model, implement DDL with create table statements, add foreign KEY constraints, and create indexes for frequent lookups. Make sure to include sensible default and not null where appropriate to prevent bad data. You finish by migrating data and validating the schema, export with Mysql dump or use MySQL shell dump, then import into the new schema. Once data is in place, run representative queries and use explain to ensure your indexes are used. If queries are slow, add or adjust indexes. Make a backup before any structural change. If something goes wrong, inspect the error log and run show engine in NoDB status to find lock or foreign key issues. This single troubleshooting step often.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.